Hey guys, it's Tom from Tentworld here. Today with me, we have the Nebo Big Larry Pro Plus. Let's take a look at it. So I'm going to take you through some of the features of our product here. So it's got two main lights. Up the top here, it's got its flashlight, and then it's also got the main work light here. So the flashlight on top has two settings. The first one is its high setting, which comes in at 220 lumens. And then the second setting here is the low setting, which is 60 lumens. And now taking a look at the work light section here, it's got a few different settings. So right now, the first one is the white light. And again, it's got high and low. So we're on high now, which is coming in at 600 lumens. If we hold that down, it's gonna go to the low white light setting, which comes in at 150 lumens. Click it again, we move over to our red setting. Same thing, high and low. The red high is 40 lumens. Hold it down, the low setting on red is 12 lumens. And then our last feature we've got on this is the red strobe. As you see, it flashes in 3. This feature is handy for distress signals or perhaps roadside emergencies. So this button here controls the flashlight and the work light. You flick through, it's gonna start up top and then it's gonna go to here. And as I was doing before, I'll show you here on this one. For all of them, if you wanna go from the high setting to the low setting, you just gotta hold that button down. We're on high at the moment, hold it down, it'll flash, and now it's on the low setting. Same with the red one. We're here on the high setting automatically. We hold it down, wait till it's flashing, and now it's on the low setting. So this is water and impact resistant. So it's got an IPX7 rating. And as you can see here, we've got a nice ergonomical non-slip grip down here. And it's also got a couple of hands-free options as well. On the base here, we've got a really strong magnet. And then we've also got our pocket clip here, which could be used to hang it. This is powered by a rechargeable battery, which has our USB-C port here on the back. So with regards to the battery life and the runtime for each of the settings here, starting up the top here with our torch on the high setting, it's going to give you a maximum of 11 hours, and it also reaches 82 meters. If we hold that down and we go to the low torch setting, we will get a maximum hours of 24 and a reach of 50 meters. Onto the high work light setting here, we'll have a maximum runtime of 4.5 hours and a reach of 33 meters. Moving on to the low work light setting here, we'll have a maximum runtime of 10 hours and a reach of 18 meters. The high setting on red will give you a runtime of 8 hours and a reach of 7 meters. Our low red setting will have a runtime of 19 hours and a reach of 1 meter. And then our strobe setting here will give you a runtime of 24 hours and a reach of about 7 meters. So as you can see, this product has a lot of features which come in really handy, and that's great for you for everyday use. And it's also a great product for you to keep with you for safety reasons when you're going out camping. Thanks for watching, guys. And like always, if you have any questions, feel free to visit one of our 15 store locations across Australia or chat to our online team. Happy camping.